Today I am reviewing these iPhone 15 Pro Max cases from Torras. These are their L stand cases in semi-clear smoked and fully clear. So you have the two different color options. If you want a little transparency of your phone, still be able to see whatever color you picked out, you could get this one. And we have the full clear, a little glossy, a little more subdued. These are pretty cool because not only you have this ring right around here for extra protection of your camera, but this goes into an L stand so you can put it here on your desk and look, it's perfectly you see how it's standing right there? Really cool. You can stand them up just like that. Check it out. Really cool. It's also a mag-safe case. Boom, right there, right on a magnet. This is one of my older iPhones, but it's also a Pro Max, so it'll fit in there just to kind of give you an idea of how it showcases the color. Obviously, this doesn't all line up. This is not an iPhone 15, but I don't have one yet. So we're just showcasing these products. You can see how well it displays the color of your sleek iPhone. Yeah, and I'm a Pro Max guy. This feels really nice. It's not bulky, has extra protection in the sides. Let's see how it looks with the semi-transparent. You can see, still can see the color, can see it up here, etc. And you can see how that puts that nice ring for it. So overall, these are really nice, and I hope this video helps you with your selection of how to accessorize your brand new iPhone 15.